Marcus, what is that?
Superman.
Very good. Go show it to me. Go.
Superman.
Who built that pyramid? Huh? It's with the cups, yeah. Who did that pyramid? Did you do that pyramid?
I'm Superman.
All by yourself? All by yourself? Wow. I like it. It's just like the one in the book. Wow. That's the Egyptian pyramid. Hey, do you like that pyramid?
I like the pyramid.
Yeah? Uh-oh. Are you going to knock it down?
And I go down.
Are you? Are you going to tackle it?
And tackle it.
Go. Ready, set, go. Ah! You're a crazy boy. You're a crazy boy. Da un besito. Qué lindo. Un besito. Da un besito, mamá.
No!
Hmm? Ah, you can't see yourself. Look who's that.
No!
Elmo. And this is your pyramid that's not knocked down. Okay. Da un besito.
No.